Hello, welcome to syGlass Academy. Today you'll be learning to use the transformation tool. You'll primarily be using the trigger, which is located on the back of your controller. To get started, click on the menu button. Go ahead and open a project from the project list to load some data. Open the menu again to choose the transformation tool, represented by a set of Cartesian axes. Reach for the project with one controller. Click and hold the trigger to move the project. Holding down the trigger on both controllers will allow you to adjust the size of your project. Clicking the menu button will bring up toggles specific to the tools in use. Teleport allows for quick and easy access around the virtual reality space. The virtual reality area is enclosed by a yellow and black caution border. To teleport, press and hold the touchpad down on your controller. This will bring a dotted line and an X up on your screen. Release the touchpad after you've placed the X. The next transformation tool option reads Grab Anywhere. This toggle is just as it sounds. It allows you to grab and move your project from anywhere. Disabling the Grab Anywhere will allow you to move the project only when it's making contact with your controller. The next section reads Mesh Point Set Registration. This section is for the registration of polygonal mesh data and will be covered in an advanced training video. To return to the project list, click Exit Project at the top of your menu.